Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I am going to be playing with some foil today. Foil and leather. And a stamp. This is the beautiful stamp that I'm going to use. This is a recollection stamp pad. It's for gel. It's a gel stamp for foil. So that's what we're going to use with the stamp. I'm going to stamp it on some leather. Going to make a pair of earrings using one of my shape templates. My favorite one. I can make a long teardrop earring with this. So I'm going to lay this aside for now. Here's my beautiful piece of leather, purple leather. I have my little hole punch that I use with my leather. I have some pliers here, some bent nose pliers. Have my leather shears. You'll see later that I end up using the transfer gel on the stamp. All right, I also have some silver foil, hot foil, and I have some parchment paper that I'm going to use. All right, let's get started with this. Have my little earring findings. I'm going to lay them aside as well. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to use the stamp pad, and I'm going to stamp this. I'm gonna get some gel on this stamp pad. I hope I'm getting a lot. I haven't done this before, so this is experimental. Well, after all of that stamping, I find that my stamp pad had dried up, and I've never used this, so I don't recommend this stamp pad. It's supposed to already have the gel on it. So to do what I intended to do, I went ahead and took some gel and put it on the stamp pad, and then I stamped it. So now I'm ready to stamp my leather. Here we go. Now the gel has dried on my leather. You can tell it's dry because it has disappeared. So now I'm going to lay my foil on top of my leather and send it through the heat foil machine. I'm using pieces of foil that I had from other projects. Okay, this is the exciting part, but I have to let it cool for a few minutes. So as soon as it's cool, I'm going to be able to peek under the corner and see if my foil bonded to the leather. Okay, this is not bad, not bad. Now I'm going to use my shape template to cut an earring shape. And in just a couple minutes, we'll have a pair of earrings. I'm using what's called a ribbon clamp. These little clamps come in all different sizes, widths. Somebody let me know in the chat what you use to smooth down the leather. You know, the little the little suede part that wants to raise up. I usually put some Mod Podge or something on it to make it lay down. But what do you use? Ladies and gentlemen, we are nearly done making this quick pair of earrings once we got our material all designed. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers and I'm at 6,500 now. So if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to subscribe. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell to be notified when we upload new content. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.